So just making a quick video tonight of my GoPro mount. It's time I've had a rough prototype that I've been using for a long time with another set of clamps, and I thought today let's get in and make a decent sort of a job with this and finish it up and upload it, make a bit of a video. There's 3 little prints in it. They're not crazy complicated. This one has a captive M3 nut in it, so you stop printing at 4mm and drop the nut in and print over the top of it, so we end up with this little piece here. This is a fairly standard GoPro style mount. Pretty happy with that. And there's a little bridle and a body, I guess you would call them, which clamp together. This has got place for 2 M4 nylon nuts of some sort, and it just attaches to a standard IRWIN F clamp, or quick release clamp. This one fits in here like this. It's on a bit of a taper, so it should go down nice and tight. If you put too long a bolt in the back, and it needs an M3 by 8mm bolt, if you put too long a bolt in, you will push this off the end and break it. So good idea not to do that. But this just screws in here nice into the M3 steel nut. Like so, and that's flush there. And then this one here, one each side of the roll stop pin that's in the clamp. And appropriate Allen key to zip him up, which is never ever much fun. Drop this Allen key about 10 times doing it. And there we go, we've got nice solid GoPro mount for a IRWIN quick grip clamp. Clamp it on the bench, or on the corner of the lathe, or on the shelf, or in a sticking out drawer, or on a workplace, or even on probably it's good enough to put on a door of a vehicle or something like that if you were really trusting. But good thing, I've been using them for a long time. I've had a rough prototype for some time, and just want to get this finished and uploaded and a bit of a video made. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're interested in this sort of stuff. If you're new to the channel, be kind to each other, and more soon, guys and girls.